All right, welcome back to Calculated Education. Today we're taking a look at a math SAT practice problem. Here we have what is the sum of all values of n that satisfy 2n squared minus 11n plus 15 equals 0. All right, one of the best ways to do this is to factor out if we can. If we can't, that's okay. We'll move on and we'll figure it out. But let's try to factor this out. Let's do this together here. All right, to start off, we always know, since we have n squared, we're going to have two factors. I like to leave it just first 2n on one and then n on the other in order for us to get the 2n squared. And let's see if we can figure this out. All right, what two numbers can we multiply together to get 15? We have 1 and 15. We also have 5 and 3, right? Those are the two values. 1, 15, 5, and 3. All right, and how can we add with 2n here? We have to figure out what can get us negative. If it's a negative value, both values are going to have to be a negative because that'll still get us a positive 15, which is great. All right, so if that's the case, we just need to figure out which way does the 3 and the 5 go. So if I do 2 times 5, that's going to get me 10. But if I do 2 times 3, that's going to get me 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. So let's do, so in order for us to get 2n times 3, we need to make sure that's over here. And the 5 is over here. All right. So we're getting closer. That is for sure to our final value. So and if we set both equal to 0, both of these values equal to 0, we'll get our two values that we can add together to find our sum. So n minus 3 equals 0. So that means n is going to be equal to 3. And if we have 2n minus 5 is equal to 0, we're going to get n is equal to 5 over 2. Right? We're going to add 5 to both sides and then divide by 2. And we know 5 over 2 is equal to 2.5. Right? 2 goes into 5 2 times, and then half of 2 is 1, so 2.5. So in order for us to solve for this, for the sum, we're just going to add the two together. 2.5 plus 3, and that's going to get us 5.5. That's it for today's practice question. Share this with your friends and those who are getting ready for the SAT and the ACT. Please like and subscribe if you have not done so. If you would like to see your questions answered or need any additional help, do not hesitate to email calculatededucation@gmail.com. You can also sign up for appointments at the link below.